Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GTA 5 enhanced not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive. Here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option. And the game has been added to this list. Go back, again go back and select this protection history option, and you just need to click on this threat found and select yes option. As you can see, the game related file is in here. Just select the action option and select the allow on device option and select yes, and do the same thing if anything listed same thing like the game related file, and then you just need to select the action and select the allow option. Just need to check by clicking on one by one, and after restoring it, just to close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.